Okay.
It's easy.
Yes, I love this. I already love this table so much.
So it is cooling off in Texas, and I have been dying to just sit outside in the cool weather, and it occurred to me that after I built my chairs and my outdoor couch that I didn't have a matching coffee table, and I really want one, so I brought the lumber over to Whitney's house today, and she's gonna help me build it.
We're gonna build this $35 DIY outdoor coffee table, and it's gonna be so cute. Come build it with us. Our first step in building this outdoor coffee table is going to be adding our pocket holes 1.5 inch at the end of each of these boards that are going to be our tabletop. And I'm using our Craig Jig 720 Pro. Tell them about it, Ash.
So we're using the Craig 720 Pro. It has been our go-to pocket hole maker for... It has been our go-to pocket hole jig for so many years. This is the new and improved pocket hole jig, and it's got a on-deck storage. We love that it is self-adjusting clamp, so you don't have to make any adjustments. All you have to do is change the stop collar on your bit. And Whitney
Speaking of stop collar on our bit, on our blue drill,
on our blue new drill.
That's right.
So these are 2x6 that I ripped down to 4.5 inches just for the plank top because we wanted to have enough room. I wanted to make it 24 inches wide, and we needed enough spacing between the boards so that water could run through since it's gonna be an outdoor table. So these are 4.5 inches wide. Everything else is ripped to 5 inches wide, but you can download the free plans. They're linked in the description box below. And we have our new Blue Ion 20 volt Craig drill. I love this drill. It fits so well in your hand. It's not heavy, and the batteries last so long.
Can I have it back? You can show them that one instead of taking mine. She like pulls the Craig jig out from under me.
Double the fun. Okay. We're still waiting for Whitney to finish drilling pocket holes.
You keep taking my crap. Oh my gosh.
I'm just gonna take the 720.
I put it down before I can move the wood. She reaches and grabs.
I am not self-aware when we're shooting videos together at all.
You're like, hold on, this is my moment.
It's my time to shine. This is my build. My build, my drills. So now we're gonna drill, just so we can get the pocket holes out of the way, we're gonna drill 1.5 inch pocket holes at one end of each of these legs.
And I'm gonna do the bad side.
Yep. Guys, this is the easiest, most inexpensive coffee table ever. In the history of DIY coffee tables, $32? Come on.
Yeah, man.
Come on. Butter. Butter. Boom. So pocket holes have been drilled on both ends. Remember, these are 4.5 inches wide, ripped down. You don't have to rip them down, but you'll need to modify the plans if you don't. We just want to allow for gaps between each of the planks since it's going to be an outdoor table so that water can flow through the cracks and not puddle on top of the tabletop. So I'm going to lay these out just like this. And we have breadboards that I ripped down to 5 inches wide. And those are gonna go at the ends, right there. And we're just gonna space them out evenly. We want the ends to be flush. So I think we should start on the ends and then we can space out the other ones evenly. So we're gonna use 2.5 inch pocket hole screws and wood glue.
I've got them.
So we are adding a little bit of wood glue on the ends, and we're gonna start with both outside planks, and we're flush on the outsides. So this table I built to match my outdoor chairs and couch that I built, and it's kind of the same style. I just never made a coffee table for it, and now I want one. And if you have not seen the plans for the couch and the matching chairs, you can click the link right here and get the free plans. And what's great, those chairs and couch, I think I built like they've made it through 4 summers.
Oh, wow.
And they are still going strong. I think I need to repaint them. So now we've got the middle one that we're gonna attach, and I'm just gonna space these out evenly.
Just like that.
Just like that. You just want, I don't know, it'll be on the plans, but it's like 3/8 of an inch, I think, between the boards. Some of these we don't need glue, some of these we do.
The middle one we're not gonna glue, okay? We're just gonna not glue the middle one.
It's not going anywhere.
I'm making that executive decision. We're attaching these with 2.5-inch pocket hole screws. Wonk. Who's your daddy?
Who's your baby?
Woof.
We got a little bit of wonky wood. More. Towards
Okay.
you. Right there.
Yeah,
Do it.
I can't. I have carpal tunnel.
Heave! You got it. You're so strong. I guess we can move this guy.
The chisel.
It's the only thing we use chisels for. Who's your daddy? Like butter.
Woo!
Final straw. Final plank.
We got our tabletop done.
Just like that.
Just like that. What's the next step, Ash?
Okay, the next step. Let's straighten this out because we can both work on a side.
Beautiful.
Y'all, this is like the easiest table ever. Okay. I keep saying that and then I jinx myself. Okay, so Whitney and Jeffrey are like,
Jeffrey and I both give us side eyes to each other.
So these are gonna be to match the design of my chair and my couch. These are gonna be flush on the outside. These are like the legs, and they are ripped to 5 inches wide to match the breadboards. So we're just gonna attach these with wood glue and 2.5-inch pocket hole screws. And pocket holes are going to face the inside.
And we are attaching, did you already say 2.5-inch pocket
Yeah,
hole
but you can
screws?
say it again.
To reiterate what Ashley said, we are gonna be using 2.5-inch pocket hole screws.
You said it so much better than I did.
You know?
It sounds different,
It's because I
Did you
had
practice
I had
when you went
rehearsal by
inside?
listening to you. Yes, I actually ran inside to rehearse. To rehearse my lines. I was ready for my moment.
I know it's hard to believe, guys, but we rehearse our lines before we start shooting.
We build each thing twice to make sure we make no mistakes.
And only one trip needed to the hardware store.
Absolutely.
Per project.
And 0 cuss words. Follow us.
We actually have halos over our head right now.
We are
The angel builders.
the angel build. So to attach these, I think we should put it up on its side
Okay,
like that.
yeah.
Don't you think?
Did you already add those?
Uh-huh.
She's so fast, guys. I
been
just got
waiting.
finished. Okay,
I'm
so
motivated.
final step. So we
Final
are
step is attaching our braces. So
Yes.
we're gonna flip the table up towards Jeffrey.
So we are gonna measure 2.5 inches from the bottom, and that's where we're going to place the cross runners. I don't know what they're called, but cross runners seems accurate.
Rectangular prism.
They are actually rectangular prisms. We're gonna attach these rectangular prisms to these rectangular prisms.
All right, let's flip this baby up. I love this, Ashley. It's so
Thank
cute.
you.
How are you gonna finish it?
I think it's about $35. I think I'm gonna paint
Amazing.
it with an outdoor black paint so that it matches my outdoor couch and chairs. And that would be, I think the whole thing together, it was like under $250 for 2 chairs, a sofa, and a coffee table now.
Amazing. I love that.
Thank you.
I love the way this turned out on your back porch, Ashley. It is so cute.
Thank you. It was so needed, and I just love having a space now that it's cooled off in Texas. I love having a space that we can just hang out and enjoy our evenings.
Yeah, you gotta pop those feet up and go pop a top.
Speaking my language.
Make sure to subscribe. You do not want to miss another build.
Happy building!
But let's actually talk about how it's 90-something degrees right now, and we're sweating and talking about how cool
And
the
I'm
weather
not
is.
sitting outside.
By the time this post hits YouTube, it'll be like 25 degrees
It'll be like
outside.
January.
Everyone's gonna be like, why are you building an outdoor table?
That doesn't look right. Hold on. How did that happen? Ah, I'm short a board. You don't have 2x6, do you?
And I'm using our Craig Jig 720 Pro. Tell them about it, Ash. Oh my gosh. If that wasn't timely, okay.
So we are attaching with 2.5-inch pocket hole screws. This should have been a lot easier.
Should we just put this out there while we are?
Well, It's a
Absolutely.
long way.
Well, I mean, it's gonna be a long way.
We're doing this right now? All the way up?
Why not?
Okay.
Well, we're here.
Fine. Because you know my personality, I'm like a bit later.